as you found out in chapter 11, there are two pairs of parallel sides. This and this and this and this. Understand? Now, for parallelogram, there are actually special parallelograms that are around. For example, a rectangle is also a parallelogram. Just that all angles are right angles. Okay. A rhombus is also a parallelogram. Just that all the sides are equal. Alright? What about a square? Is it a parallelogram? Yes, it is also a parallelogram. Okay? So, a parallelogram is a bigger set of it. The rest are all inside. Do you understand? Okay, now what's so special about a parallelogram is that if this side is of length A, this side will also be of length B. If this side is of length B, this side also will be of length B. That means in mathematical notation, you will say this side is equal to this side, and this side is equal to this side. I think you have seen this before, right? This is called equal in length. Okay, now for parameter of parallelogram, it's very easy. Will be A plus B plus B. Alright, now I must repeat this. For perimeter, it means the length of all the boundaries added up together. What do you mean by boundaries? That means here, 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 here. The inside is not counted. Understand? The boundary. Okay? So perimeter will be this. Now next. How do we get the area of a parallelogram? Okay? Now I'm going to use red. All of you can about now. Okay? Now, if I call this one the base, the height must be this. Because the base and the height must be perpendicular. What do we mean by perpendicular? Must be 90 degrees to one another. Understand? And what is the formula for area of, this is a short form for parallelogram. I think I've wrote this before. I don't know if I wrote this. That means you go parallel, then you go GM. This is parallelogram. Understand? Alright? Now, area of parallelogram is just base times height. That's all. Okay? That means you must know what is this length and what is this length. Now, I must warn you, it's not A times B. Because B is the starting line. Can you see? What did I say just now? The base and the height must be what? 90 degrees, perpendicular. Everybody clear? So, parameter is not a problem. Parameter is we just add up all the boundary. But I need to caution you. When I give you this type of figure, some students are for parameter, they go and add this, they also go and add this. Do you think it's correct? No, you cannot add that inside. I just not say really. Parameter is the boundary. Understand? That means it's the outside. Are we clear with that? Are we clear with that? Okay, good. Now, next, I'm going on to the next shape that is called a trapezium. So, you must know how to spell this. Parallelogram. Because sometimes in Emacs paper 1, they will ask you like, name this special polymetro. So you cannot just write parallel G and cannot. You must spell out properly and it must be the proper spelling. Everybody clear? Okay, now next, I'm going on to the next shape that is called the trapezium. Trapezium has got only one set of parallel lines. I'm going to show you one kind of trapezium. There are many kinds of trapezium, okay? Now all of you look up here. Can you see this is the parallel side? You can see it. Now of course it need not be like that, right? It can also be like that, right? Okay, now whereby this is 90. Can you see? You're also good, right? Come on, teach yourself, okay? Now, I can also have another orientation whereby my perpendicular, these two lines are parallel, then this is the height. Understand? What is the area of trapezium? Half times height. Let this be height. H times what? A plus B. That means the sum of the parallel sides. Okay? Now, then I want to ask, is it important for me to put the brackets? Is it important for me to put the brackets? Of course it's important. What if I don't put the bracket? What does this mean? That means half times H times A will be there and must be, you know. If I like that, this one, I must A plus B first, no? Understand? No? So this is the difference. Everybody clear? Okay, I repeat. Parameter, same thing, add up all the sides. Okay? For area of parallelogram is base times height. And you must make sure that the base is perpendicular to the height. For a trapezium, how do you distinguish a trapezium from a parallelogram? A trapezium only got one pair of parallel sides. And this will be length A, length B, and this is the height. And the area will be half times height times sum of parallel sides. And the sum of parallel sides, you must bracket it. Is that understood? Now, I believe this is not taught in your primary school. Okay, so you got to memorize the formula. Is that understood? And I don't think it's very difficult to memorize the formula. Okay, I'm going to do two in one because I find if I do one, it's very boring. Just based on height, based on height, I'm very bored of it. You understand what I'm talking about? Can or cannot? Okay, so everybody okay now? Can? Okay, next section. Okay, next section. I want you to turn to your textbook now. Can you look at page 151? You have this particular title, right? Correct. Not an issue. Okay. Now, can you turn to page 153? Can you look at the below here? Can you see they give you the area of parallelogram, which is exactly the same as what I've said, base times height. Everybody clear? Okay, I've already summarized it for you. Okay. Now, my concern is actually not this one. You have to identify what's the base and what's the height in the question. You cannot just say, oh, I just see the length, I just times. Then that's wrong. Okay? That's why we need to look at page 152. Okay? All of us look at page 152. I'm going to explain this. Okay? I'm going to explain this to you. Okay? Now, can we look at the first picture? Just a minute, I adjust this so that you all can see it and I don't have to turn this so much. Okay. Okay, see that? Okay, now all of you look up. I'm going to tell you how I identify, okay? Now all of you look up. Don't look at the textbook, look at the box because it's all in the textbook. Then later on, those that I want to zoom in, will zoom in. Okay? Now, can you see that if this is the base, this got to be the height. Because it's like the base. Can see? Okay? Now, if this is identified as the base, no problem, you turn also can, right? You can turn the textbook, right? Now, this will be the height, right? Because this is 90 degrees. Can see? Can see? Now, for this one, if this is the base, now the height can be like that, right? Outside, right? Alternatively, the height can also be this one, you know. Can see? They are the same, right? They are the same. Understand? How to make sure that it's the height? You must make sure that it's perpendicular and touch the other part. That's all. Everybody clear with what I'm saying? Can or cannot? So, the most important thing is to identify which is the base and which is the height. Okay? Alright, now then we look at the bottom. The practice now. 5A. Can all of you take out a pencil? Can all of you take out a pencil? Now. Okay? I want to do this with you so that you will not have problem identifying what is the base and what is the height in future. Okay? Alright, let's take a look at the first question. What did they say? For each of the following parallelograms, You need to indicate the right angle when necessary. Do you understand what the question is talking about? Okay? Now, let's look at question A first. All of you take out your pencil. My pencil is red color, understand? Okay, now, if this is the base, do you agree that this 90 degrees, this is the line? And all of you draw it down now. So that in exam, you will also draw it down. Now, look at this B. Now the base is here, right? The height got to be something like that, right? So that this is 90, right? Can you see it? Yes or no? Can all of you see that this is actually an obtuse angle? Can you see it's an obtuse angle? What is an obtuse angle? Greater than what? 90 degrees. Okay? But less than 100 degrees. So, this one must be a right angle. Everybody clear? Now, this is B. B means base. Do you agree that this will be the height? Okay. Yes or no? What is an alternative to draw this height? Where? Where? Inside, here, right? Okay, come down, right? Provided I touch the other side. Understand? Can or cannot? Just like for triangles, I think you have done, right? Some triangles are this way, right? This will be the what? Base. This one is the height, right? Outside. So it's the same thing. Same concept. Are we clear? Okay, then we look at this one. What if this is the base? Then the height must be here, right? 90 degrees. Okay? Okay, then I ask you one question. If someone take this as the base times height, I will find the area of this parallelogram. Okay? Yes. Now, what if another person, I use another color. Listen, are you here? If this is the base, this is the height, right? This set will give you the area, okay? Now, what if someone say this is the base and this is the height? Is this still possible? Yes. When I times the base and the height, will it give me the same answer? Yes. Because it refers to the same parallelogram. This is something that you must know. Understand? Because a lot of people are confused. Understand? They think you will give you a different answer. No. We are referring to the same parallelogram. Whichever you take as the base and the relevant height, which will give you the same answer. Everybody clear now? Okay? Alright, good. Next one. At the bottom. Part E onwards. For the next part, what they have given us is that they have given us the height. And we must identify which is the base. Okay, you tell me where's the base? Can you see it's this one? Alright. Can or cannot? Now I want to ask, if this is B, can this also be B? Yeah. Yes, because I just told you right, parallelogram, they are the same length, right? Okay, now, this is the height. So this side will be my B, right? That means it's also this side. Can you see it now? Okay, this is my height. So this is my B, right? Agree, class? Okay, this is my height. So B will be here. Can you see? Yes or no? But if let's say this is 5 cm, you must also know this is 5 cm. Don't say, oh, I don't know because they only give that side, don't give this side. But they are parallelogram, they are the same. Everybody clear? So you must know how to infer the information. You cannot just die must see like that. Everybody clear with what I'm saying? Okay or not? So I just want to ask you, are you okay with identifying the base and the height? Yes, very good. Now, I just want to ask, am I too fast or too slow? Do you all understand? Because this is my usual speed. I hope I have not deteriorated. Okay, I told you it's either constant speed or I will accelerate. No such thing as I reduce speed, understand? No time, okay? Alright, now next one. Okay, now let's take a look at work example 5. I do not want people to talk. So let's look at work example 5. Okay? because the answer is in the textbook itself, I just need you to pay attention. Okay, you know what's wrong with this class? You'll straight away jump into doing what you never read properly. So when you never read properly, that's the end of it. Clear? Okay, now let's take a look at this particular question. Okay? The diagram shows a parallelogram A, B, C, D. Then let me just warn you. When we name something a polygon, it must go one round. A, B, C, D, like that. It can also be clockwise. It doesn't matter. But you cannot say A, B, then C, D, then cannot. Because there's a crisscross over there. Everybody clear? It must go one round. Okay? Now, when AB is 40 cm, BC is 10 cm, DE is 8, okay? Find the perimeter. Now, I'm going to explain. I'm not going to write. Now, you are not supposed to just say, oh, perimeter 14, this is also 14, this is also 10, right? Right. So, it's actually 14 plus 10 plus 14 plus 10, right? Which is equals to 48 cm, right? Nobody should just write this. You must at least write something like called perimeter. You must write something there. If not, what are all these numbers equivalent to? Understand? Oh, I'm not asking you to write a composition, you know. I just want you to write one word to say that it's perimeter. Are we clear here? Yeah? Okay, next area. Okay, you tell me, which one is the base? Which one right there is the base? 14, okay? So, which is the corresponding height? 8. So you take 14 times 8 is your calculator. But don't forget, area is cm squared. Everybody clear now? Everybody clear now? Can or cannot? This is the basic, Alright, good. Okay, so you can see that it's 48 and then 112 cm squared. Is everyone clear now? Is everyone clear? Okay. Now, for this thinking time on the next page, you can go and read through it yourself. It just shows you that all the parallelogram down there have got the same height. Can you see that? Just that some of them are more tilted. That's all. Okay? Now, next, this is the example that I am worried about because a lot of students will not read the question properly and you can get the wrong answer. Okay, so I'm going to show you how we get this particular answer. Okay, let's read the question first. The figure shows a parallelogram PQRS where PQ is 9 cm, PS is 6 cm, QU is 8 cm. No, sorry, QU is perpendicular to PS and QT is perpendicular to SR. Can you see? Okay? If QU is 8 cm, calculate the length of QT, bringing your answer to 1 decimal place. Now, I think before I left, I told you, right? All O-level answers must relate to 3 significant figures. All working must be 5-figure trunking. Remember? But these questions will tell you that it must be 1 decimal place. So you must follow the question. Understand? If the question don't specify, then you must give the 3 significant figure. Are we all clear with that? Okay, so what is our mission? To find what? Find what? QT, right? Okay, all of you look up here. QT is this one, right? The one that I brought in there. Okay, now I want to ask you something. If I take 6 times 8, what will it give me? Area or what? Parallelogram, right? Area of parallelogram. Okay, all of you look at that. Area of parallelogram is 6 times 8, which is 48 cm squared. Alright. Okay, now, how do I find QT? How can they ask us to find QT in this stupid question, right? Okay, now, do you agree that when this is 9, this will also be 9? Now, if this is the base, can you see this is the height? Can everybody see that? So, just now I tell you, right, regardless of what base, what height I take, fixated in your brain and whatever comes out of define area, define perimeter. This one can you see is an inference. You got to find the area first, and after that you apply the concept down there. I want to know is everyone clear? Okay, good. Now next question will be work example 7. Can we all look at work example 7 here? I'm going to draw the diagram on the board for you. Okay? They say use Paulia's problem solving method and so on. You don't have to worry about it because we have always been practicing this, just that we just never say it out. Do you agree that first of all we must understand the problem? Then what must we do? We must think of how to solve the problem, right? It's very intuitive, that means you know basically, but then you just never put it out in words. Okay, then after that you will carry out the plan, right? Then after that we may check the answer, alright? We may check the answer, okay? Alright. May I know what do you want? This one? Science. Wow, there are so many books here, you know? This one? Oh, take. Tell your teacher next time don't leave things here. Okay, you see, I got geography book, I got food nutrition book, I got all those. Then every teacher come and ask me, I'm very busy, understand? Okay, come. Let's take a look at this particular question. What's that? I want you to look at this question. Example 7. Are we ready? I don't want people to talk. Are we ready? Okay. PQRS is a parallelogram and T lies on PQ. Now can you see that this particular question never give you diagram? So when questions don't give you diagram, you are expected to sketch it. Understand? You don't say I can imagine in my mind. That's absolute rubbish. Understand? Now I'm going to draw it. All of those up here. Are you listening? Okay. Now look at it now. I have P, Q, R, S. Okay? I'm telling you how to translate it pictorially. Alright? P lies on PQ. That means there's a point P that lies on PQ. I don't know where, somewhere. You can see it. Okay? Now, given that triangle, area of triangle SRT. Now SRT will be here, right? Will be this particular triangle, right? Is 30 cm square, right? Okay. Find the area of the parallelogram PQRS. Okay, then I ask you, what do you notice about the areas of triangle SRT and the parallelogram PQRS? Okay, now can you see that when people see this type of problem, they will think that there's not enough info. You understand what I'm talking about? There's not enough info. Okay? Now, let me just tell you something here. If I let this be D, what will this be? Also be that. If I let this be H, that means this will be the height of the triangle as well as the parallelogram.
Oh my god.
Do you agree with what I'm talking about? Okay. All of you look up here. Area of triangle SRT is 30, correct? So, half times base times height will be 30, right?
The answer is literally just...
Okay, can you just keep quiet and let me say properly, okay? Now, do you agree that how do I find the area of this particular parallelogram? It's just base times height, right? Correct. Do you agree that the area of the parallelogram is just base times height? So, base times height is BH, right? By algebra, this would be 30 divided by half, right? Divided by half is times what? Times 2. So, do you agree that I can find it straight away? 60. That means you must draw. You cannot say, oh, I die already. Because this question never give me base, never give me height, therefore I cannot solve. Okay? Do you understand what I'm talking about here? Alright, now, let's take a look now. What did they ask us to comment? What do you notice about the areas of triangles SLT and the parallelogram PQRS? This is an area SLT, this is PQRS. What do you realize? The triangle is what? Half the area of the parallelogram. Or you can conclude the other way. The parallelogram is twice the area of the triangle. Are you all clear? Are you all clear with what I'm saying here? Yes or no? Yes, huh? Okay, good. Now, next, we are going on to example 8. This example 8 is actually very simple. It's just that they are trying to confuse you only. That's all finish, okay? But we will not be confused because we are just being funny down here, okay? Alright, now are we clear with 7 first? Are we clear with example 7 first? Alright, good. Now let's take a look at this particular question because I'm going to do it real fast. Okay? I'm going to do it real fast. Okay. This one says that this is a road sign. Okay? V-shaped stripe found on roads. So this is made out of parallelograms that represent the extended curve of the road. That means when I draw it like that, it's this particular pattern. Okay, now I just want you to take a look what the question says, okay? Now a diagram of the chevron is shown below where ABCD is a rectangle and ST is parallel to AB. Now, by dividing the chevron into equal parallelograms, find the percentage of this signboard that is painted yellow. Now, I want you to look at this. I've already drawn it for you by the side. Okay, I want you to take a look at this particular picture. All of you look up. Do you agree that if I shift this here, it becomes a parallelogram like that? Can you see now? If I shift this part here and this part here, alright? That means this will be what color? Black. This will be my yellow, then black, yellow, black, and yellow, right? This one already shifted there. Okay, now I divide. You can say all of them are the same. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? 6 of such arrow shape, right? Or if you know what, you can also divide like that. That means there are 12 of them. You see? 12 of them. Okay, so total is 12 parts. How many parts are yellow? 6. They want percentage. So you times 100% now. So how many percent of them are yellow? 100%. 50 long. Can you see? Half of it. Can you see what I'm talking about here? Now, do you need to know the exact length and height of the parallelogram? No need, you just divide it into equal parts, that's all. So, I have done all the examples for parallelogram. Are you clear? Are you clear? Okay, alright, good. So, that will be for parallelogram. Next, can we turn to page 159? It will show you the trapezium formula. Okay, the trapezium formula. Alright. Okay. So, area of trapezium is half times sum of length of parallel sides times height. But I usually put the height first so it's easier. It doesn't matter. You know that 2 times 3 and 3 times 2 is the same. So it doesn't matter which one I put first. Okay, so this is the formula for area of trapezium. Are we okay? Alright, now going on to the next example. Okay, basically for this particular part, right, there are only 2 examples that I need to go through, okay? Now let's take a look at the first one, this one. And this one is very simple. I'm just going to do it verbally, alright? All of you look up. The figure shows a trapezium ABCD, where AB is 12.9, BC is 8, CD is 4, and AD is 7. If DE is 6 here, calculate the parameter. Parameter is very easy. All of you look up. You just take this plus this plus this plus this, right? All the boundary. That's all finished. plus 12.9. Will it be the same?
Yeah.
Yes, okay, so you just key the calculator for me. All of you key now. I want to know the answer straight away. No need to simplify, just calculate it straight away. Again, 50.7 units cm square. Everybody clear? You will tell me, sure, but I show you this answer. No need, this is the working. Because calculator will enable us to find the answer. But if you don't like this, then there's no marks. Because you didn't show me how you apply the working, the formula. Are you all clear with what I'm saying? So this particular example is a straightforward question, whereby they only ask you to find the parameter and the area of the trapezium. Are we clear? Okay, now next one is a more difficult one. I want all of you to look at this particular question now. The example 10, this one. I think it's smaller so that you can see the whole picture. I'm going to write this on the board so that you know what they're talking about, okay? Alright, now let's take a look at the question now. Okay. The figure shows a trapezium PQRS, where PQ is 15, PS is 8. The area and the perimeter of the trapezium are this and this respectively. Now, what do you mean by respectively? That means this first number is the area. This second number is the one? Perimeter. Respectively is following, correct? Must correspond. Calculate the length of RS and the length of QR. RS and QR. Everybody clear? Everybody clear? Okay, now let us write out the question first. Okay, what we know first? First of all, what is the area? 104. Good. What is the parameter? 42.9 cm. Okay? Cannot. Okay, now, what did they ask first? First question, what did they ask? Find the length of what? RS. This one, I don't know, right? Okay? But do you agree this one is the height? Okay, see, all of you look at that. Area is 104, right? All of you look at me, please. Don't look at the text, but don't talk. Half times 8 times RS plus 15 must give me 104. Agree with what I'm saying? Agree with what I'm saying? Okay? What is half times 8? 4. That means 4 RS plus 15 is 104, right? Alright. So what if I have RS plus 15 over here? What will you see? 104 divided by 4, right? What if I only want RS? 104 divided by 4? Minus 15. Key for me? What is it? 11. Don't just read from the textbook. Everybody knows it's 11. You must key it and make sure you know how to get the answer. Is this 11? Is this 11? Yes. So this is 11 cm. Are we okay? Are we okay? Now, we have already found that this guy is 11 cm. Then, can you tell me how to find QR? How to find QR? Parameter. Okay, you must use parameter. What else you do to parameter? Because I add up this four sides, you must give me that one, right? So what do? I take that one minus off these 3 sides, right? I will get my QR. Agree? So no need to show you, right? You know how to do it, right? Yes or no? So how do you present? You have to say QR is 42.9 minus 8 minus 50 minus 11. Then you get the answer. Everybody clear with what I'm saying? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Now, so the answer is that for you. Okay, you'll get the answer down there. Everybody clear? Absolutely clear with what I'm saying here? Can or cannot? Okay, now let me just remind you about your presentation. First thing is, you must at least write area of perimeter. I don't need you to write composition. Okay? Short form for parallelogram is like that. Understand? Okay, I'm going to revise now. Because I'm going to give you a set of work. All diagrams must be drawn. Understand? Okay, you just need to sketch the diagram. Understand? Don't tell me I never say that. Okay? Now, what is the area of parallelogram? Can you tell me the formula? Base times height. Very good. What is the area of trapezium? Half times what? Height times what? A plus B. Okay, what is A plus B? Sum of the parallel sides. Are we okay? Are we okay down here? Okay, good. Now, I gave you the new content page, right? Can you write down number 1? Write down number 1 on the new content page. Write down number 1. Today is the 3rd of August. Exercise 12B. Let me just double check. Is it called exercise 12B? Yes. Hello. Then it becomes a mess. So I just cover this up first. You just write parallelogram and trapezium. Now, then on the foolscap paper, I just write down here, diagrams are to be drawn. Is that clear? For all questions. Understand? Now, some people may have forgotten how to write on your foolscap. This is the game. Okay? I'm going to write out the questions that you're supposed to do and homework on the board. Okay? Alright. How many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? And this will be due on Monday. Understand? Now, I want to start the first question with you. Okay, then I will dismiss you. First question. Take out your foolscap paper. Alright. Let's take a look at the first question. I don't care whether other classes are dismissed or not. I got to do this. Okay? Let's look at the first question. Can you please draw the diagram for me first? Question number 4. SUR is 10 meters, ST is 8 meters, and SU is 11.2 meters. Find the length of P2. That means I want to find this length. The length of P2, correct? Everybody okay? Now, all of you come. I'm going to teach you now. 10 and this is the base, this is the height. You will give me the area of the what? Parallelogram. Okay, all of you write down. Area of parallelogram will be 10 times 11.2. Okay, can you tell me how many meters square?
112.
Okay? 112, is it? Okay? Now, if I take PQ, I must times what to get the area? If PQ is the base, I must times what? 8. Good. It's the same parallelogram, right? What will be the answer? 1, 1, 2, right? Okay, right? Then, how would I get PQ? 1, 1, 2. Hello? Divide by 8. So, what answer?
48.
Okay? 1, 4. 1, 4, what? So what's the unit? Meters. Yes, you must read carefully. Meter is very long, no? Yes, very short, no? Understand? Now, all of us are going to see over here. Can you see that you must present vertically? Okay? Now, I've already done this for you. So you expect to do all this by Monday. Now, same instruction. I want silence, please. If you cannot do, you just draw the diagram and leave a blank. I will help you to do. Understand? But you cannot tell me every question also cannot do. At least must try. Is that clear to everyone? Okay. Where is this set of homework due, Alvin? Where is this set of homework due?
Monday.
Monday. Okay. Should I stop the video?